Okay, this is language time, and we have our book, so you can use it. You have your activity page. Go to, you've been asked to make a movie about this book. I call it the Make a Movie page. All right, and just record chapter 6 up at the top. However, if you want to do it a little bit differently, you can. So we'll talk about what that means. It says, you have been asked to make a movie about this book. Create 6 scenes. In each film strip section, write a sentence and illustrate the most important parts of this chapter. You might win an Oscar. Okay, you can just do 6 scenes from chapter 6. Or being that we have just read 6 chapters, you can do 1 scene from each chapter, which I think would be kind of cool. If you decide to do that, then in the first box, the first little section there, you would say up at the top, chapter 1, and then you go back to the first chapter, and you just kind of pick out what did you like best about that chapter. It was just called A Little House in the Big Woods, okay? If you want to draw a picture of how you picture their house look like, the little gray house made of logs with the woods all around it, and say something like, the great dark trees stood all around the house, if you want to say that. The great dark trees. I'm copying that right from the book on page 1. Trees stood all around the house. And then if you want to do your scene of their house, and what you think that would look like. And then if you want to choose one thing from each chapter and do 6 chapters, you can do that. I think that'd be kind of cool. Or if you want to just take chapter 6 called the Two Big Bears and do 1 scene from that chapter in each. So you have 6 different scenes with a sentence on the bottom explaining what happened there. You can do it that way. So you would sketch in, you'd write your sentence, you sketch, you color, and just have some fun with that, okay? Again, you could do all 6 chapters with 1 picture from each chapter, or you can do 6 scenes from chapter 6, okay? And on this one, I think it'd be so important for you to be able to show me what you did. So if you can just email me, take a picture of your parents, take a picture and email me that picture. I get a big joy out of being able to see the end product to what you've done, okay? So that's what you're going to be doing for language today. And tomorrow, of course, we will be reading chapter 7, but that's what you'll do for today, okay? And when you come back, we are going to be doing history starting on page 194 and an activity book page. But for now, just work on your language, okay? It might take you 1 or 2 days, however long that you want to work on that, okay? And then send me a picture, and I'd love that, all right? Okay, have fun with it. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.